recently the chief clerk, he had petitioned the PDP, the hierarchy of the party, that they should thoroughly investigate you.
Okay.
And that if you're found guilty, you should be expelled.
Okay.
Then we had the PDP Board of Trustees visit the governor of Rivers State, and they used, the chairman said they will be seeking constitutional resolution. Would you be willing for them to visit you as well? Would you be willing to comply with whatever they say?
Let me talk about, I don't know the party that the chief clerk belongs to. Frankly speaking, since I entered PDP, I've never seen any PDP meeting. I don't like to react to when other statesmen like that. Every time he talks, but let me tell you the history so that people will know. In 2014, when I came out to run, Edwin Clark said, no, that it is the turn of the just, and that nothing will make me be the governor. I said, well, it is my right to run, and I fail, and I come back. But to the glory of God, I ran, and I won. Since then, yes, Edwin Clark had written me letters and this, I have refused to talk to anybody. I said I will not answer. I said I will not answer. I wasn't a bad person when I championed for the German to be governor. I have become a bad person simply because there are issues. And I kept quiet. There is nothing Chief Edwin Clark or elder statesman had not said, but I said, I will never, I will not reply to anything. And if there's anybody who has contributed to the growth of PDP, as far as today, is me. So when I read they should investigate me for what? He was one of those who were talking about the Southern president. And I supported the Southern president. So what are you going to investigate me? Chief Edwin Clark was one of those who said, no, power must rotate to go to South. So what is the crime I have committed? But I also believed in that. So that I don't want.
That is grouse. His grouse is that you are making, whereas you work for the success of an Ijoma to governor,
yes,
to succeed you,
yes,
but you have also been working to make that Ijoma fail.
How?
By the current crisis.
What is the current crisis? Is he even not the governor? You see, leadership, everything will not be smooth. I was there. I had my own crisis. Did I blame anybody? I faced the crisis squarely. When I was there, you saw what the federal government did to me. Did I go and accuse any ethnic group? No. So, if you are in a leadership position, you should be able to stand by it, face the crisis. That's what politics is all about. Politics is not every time good. Sometimes it will be good. Sometimes it will not be rosy.